Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care and another night drive. I'm not going to waffle on too much here because it might bleed into the length of the movie. Video. Tonight's video is brought to you by the town of Dover and the port of Dover. I thought I'd do is start up at Whitfield here, go down Jubilee Way, down to the port of Dover, see if we can see any ferries. That might be nice. Then down the marina and the seafront, and then a little drive around the town. So, yeah. And it's very hectic. I'm glad. It's much busier than my Folkestone drive. I suppose because it's the port of Dover, right? So you're going to get all the traffic. Clear to my right. Let's go for it. I think I've observed coming out that a lot of drivers at night really don't do their indicators. So, might get a few raspberries from me. Yeah, it's all trial and error. I think the other one worked quite well. So, we'll give it a shot. Dual carriageway coming out, or feeder lane for the slow trucks. I could make this into a series, couldn't I? Night drives. Name your favourite towns and cities. I think all I've got left here is Canterbury. I could do Margate, maybe Ramsgate. I could do... what else could I do? Maidstone, Tunbridge. There's quite a few for night drives. Can't really do countryside driving because it's just going to be all dark. Okay, so we're dropping speed down to 30 miles an hour here. It will be painfully slow, but hey ho. Because the dual carriageway ends or the road narrows. Possible queues. Should get the ferries. Let's see. Yeah, look, there's one there. It's like a DFDS. No, a P&O. Makes you almost wish you were going onto a ferry just for the journey. I loved ferry rides. You know, sort of ambling around the boats, going on the upper decks. My lane feeds into the right-hand lane. It's rather odd. Hey-ho. But I want to take an immediate left after the lights, so I need to get into that lane. You tend to be more conscious of your surroundings when it's at night. Welcome to England. As if we weren't in England, right? Now, for anything in terms of hazards here, because a little further down it's going to be, there's a couple of restaurants, there's a hotel, people might be walking across, and it's quite dark. There's people getting out, or getting out their car there, getting in a car. Pedestrian walking across the road. My camera might not be picking it up. Might be a bit brighter when we get into the town. There's a car with its lights on the left. Just make sure it's not pulling out. Car in front is slowing down. Is he going to turn? Got a brake light, a rear light out. I reckon he's going to turn, you know. Pedestrians on the left. Giveaway junction. Oh, look, he's indicating. It's all good news. Got traffic calming measure here, so we have to give way to oncoming traffic. I thought I saw a car, must have turned off. Not sure if they know where they're going. I think they probably want to go left. I want them to go left. Pedestrians. This car. Whoa. I'll give them a toot. Because I'm angry. Oh, is that bad etiquette? Sorry, folks. That was getting on my nerves. Right, we'll take a left at the lights here and head up into the town. See, I'm not all calmness. I do lose my rag. But, you know, it will be with politeness. None of this FU stuff. Into a 30 zone, let's give way, but there's nothing coming. Lights are going green. Good news. Right, at the roundabout ahead, and this isn't a learner drive one, so voiceover. Take the second exit. The left-hand lane goes left. I think that's where I was going with this, so I've filtered into the right-hand lane. I think what I'll do is take us round. Lots of traffic. This is a one-way road, but it feels odd. It feels like it's dual carriageway. Pedestrians on the left, car approaching on the right. People getting out of their car, forcing this car to slow down. Filter into this lane because I want to go right at the lights. Oh, that was a bit chaotic. High vis legs, so there's someone in the road. Pedestrian crossing. Lights are turning red. Yeah, I think what I'll do is drive down the length of this dual carriageway. Well, it's not dual carriageway, but one-way system. Hang a left and go up Castle Hill, ending up at Dover Castle. That might be nice. See if it's lit up. And conclude the video almost back where we started. Just a little bit of a night drive around Dover. What do you make of that? Looks different at night, doesn't it? Clunk, 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 clunk. Yeah, quite a lot of traffic actually. patrons coming out of church. I'm torn, do I go left here or do I go left when we get back into the town? Oh, we're already here now, so I want to go left at the lights. It's all green, so we can carry on. Because this is a pretty little road to go up, with its guest houses and bed and breakfasts. Look at that all lit up, is that lovely? Great photography subject, that, with the lights, if you're doing night photography. Very tight bend here. It's following the traffic round. Dover Castle is just up there, but we won't see it. Not till I get to the car park, and it will be illuminated, so I'll pull up and we'll have a quick look. Tourist. The Tudor Tours, that's the one. Kind of glad that there's a car in front, because otherwise it would be really dark. Not sure if the video picks up the aspects late at night. You know, in these areas, when it's in the town, it's different. Lots of traffic. We shall turn left here and conclude the video. Overlooking Dover Castle into the coach car park. How about that? Can you see the castle? Is it illuminated? There you go. A little drive around Dover at night. Whitfield down to the port, around the marina, a bit of the town and back up. Quite a few hazards, actually. I have to keep my wits about me, as well as narrating as I'm going along. Oh, crazy times. Anyway, that's it for now. See you in another video. Thanks for watching and bearing with. Drive with care.